Hi, I am Dr. Mahesh Iyer, co-founder Sineflex Solutions, who are a partnering organization for healthcare innovations. Our idea is to become an organization that promotes technology and uses statistical methods to bring about innovation in healthcare. Sineflex Solutions. Let me come to how we founded Sineflex Solutions. Sineflex Solutions was founded in 2018 as a boutique healthcare consulting company. It was created to bring about technological innovations in the healthcare industry and to provide technology innovations in pharma industry by linking interested parties together and providing solutions through new technologies. Our main aim was to bridge gap between the companies where there was a problem existing, and we go to the problem solvers and found out the solutions to those problems. Our team was is Mr. Santosh Shivgari, Global Head, Clinical Scientific Expert. He has a chemistry and pharmacy background, and Dinesh B, Head, ex-head Learning and Capability in Novartis, and he is from a computer science and tech background. And I myself is Dr. Mahesh Iyer, the site head and biostatics ex-site head Novartis Biostatistics Department. I hold a PhD in statistics. The healthcare industry outlook is that the healthcare industry can be divided into three subdivisions. For example, there is pharmaceutical companies, hospitals, and insurance. The pharmaceutical companies discover molecules, develops and tests it, get the authorities approval, and distributes the drugs. The hospitals partners with the pharmaceutical companies in the treatment using the following drug with the four drugs, conduct clinical trials and researches. The insurance companies needs to sell their products. They need to get a proper reimbursement done and a proper cost estimation of the healthcare treatments which is being done with the patients. Why Sineflex? The Sineflex works with many few of the following stakeholders that are startups in the healthcare industry, the healthcare pharmaceutical companies itself, universities and hospitals. The main problems as in our experience in this industry was the industry is not technology driven. We offer solutions to, and there is a huge gap between the current technologies and the technologies used in the pharma companies. And the process efficiency of these solutions to come into the pharma companies or the healthcare providers is very slow. So what as Sineflex we are aiming to do is we are trying to provide unique solutions to the customer's problem. The solutions is we understand the problems, we create a gap analysis, we provide unique custom solutions to that problems. Our main point about the solutions is that the scalability of the solutions and the innovations in operations it will bring about. And furthermore, we do an analysis. Once the solution is given, we do an analysis of the solution and we propose changes to it. We create solutions that should match the uh, stakeholder. Sineflex strengths are the team. The founders has a diverse experience in this pharma industry. The good understanding of data and the innovation in pharma care and our network strength. Our model of business is DART, which is design, analyzes, and raise and transform. Sineflex understands and designs the problem statement. We go to the client, understands their problem, whether it's the correct problem or not. We try to understand that, and which requires the unique solution. We analyze that problem statement and research on problem solution and the solution providers. For example, universities who does research on various new technologies and research and new healthcare innovations. We approach them, we analyze the problem statement and the solution, and we try to match it up. We create multiple iterations of the solution, which is the race part of the DART model, and we transform the company. Once that multiple iterations of the solutions are run, we input this solution into the company and we help them transform the company based on that solution. And the main stakeholders here are the people of that company. We need to make them understand and train the people to achieve the solution which we are providing. The process itself is in a simplified method, a simplified model. We can say that we approach the solution providers. We understand and create data on the ongoing technology, which researchers in the healthcare domain, and create a database. For example, research is going on in universities, clinical trials in the universities, etc. Then we approach farmers and healthcare providers who has problems, and we understand their problems, and we try to match these problems up. Once the problems are matched up, and if that real problem has a real solution, we establish a project. We link them up. We we create a unique solution and a custom solution for that problem, and we create a project. And this is how our aim as a company, as Scienflex Solutions, need to impart into the pharma industry. This is how we bring technology and innovation into the pharma industry. Thank you. Thanks a lot.